News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy, Serious Fraud Investigation Office, Indian Medicines Pharmaceutical Corporation Limited, Ministry of Ayush, Indian Bureau of Mines, and National Intelligence Grid. Let's begin with introduction about Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy, CCRYN. The Government of India, after having recognized the need of systematic research for development of Indian systems of medicine, including homeopathy in the country, established the Central Council for Research in Indian Medicine and Homeopathy in 1969 as an autonomous body under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India, which continued to conduct scientific research in Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy up to 1978. During all this period, naturopathy was looked after by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare directly. Thereafter, in March 1978, this composite council was dissolved to pave way for the formation of independent research councils, that is, one each for Ayurveda, Yoga and Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. The Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy was established as registered society on 30th March 1978 with the Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare as President of governing body. It is functioning as an autonomous organization under the newly created Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, and fully funded by the Ministry for all its activities. Since inception, the Council is involved in various activities related to the development of these systems in terms of research, education, training and propagation. Applications are invited from eligible bona fide Indian citizens for filling up one regular post of Research Officer, Yoga and Naturopathy on direct recruitment basis for Ayush Wellness Clinic at Rashtrapati Bhavan, New Delhi, to be filled up through Central Council for Research in Yoga and Naturopathy, CCRYN, an autonomous body under Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. The eligible and interested candidates may submit their application along with self-attested copies of all certificates or testimonials to the Director CCRYN within 30 days from the date of issue of the advertisement in Employment News. The candidates already working in central government or state government or autonomous bodies or PSU or universities etc. must submit their application through proper channel. For essential eligibility criteria, application from the age limit and other general terms and conditions, please visit CCRYN website www.ccryn.gov.in. Any addendum or corrigendum shall be posted only on the Council's website. It is proposed to fill up the following vacancies in Serious Fraud Investigation Office on deputation or ISTC basis. 3 posts of Joint or Additional Director, Investigation. Interested and willing government employees may forward their application complete in all respect through proper channel in the prescribed format to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For details, etc., visit www.sfio.nic.in or www.mca.gov.in. Since this is a deputation post, private candidates need not apply. Indian Medicines Pharmaceutical Corporation Limited, Mohan invites applications for the following posts. 1 post of General Manager Plant, 1 post of Assistant General Manager Marketing, 2 posts of Deputy Manager Production, and 3 posts of Assistant Manager Production. Please visit the website www.impclmohan.nic.in recruitment for details. Last date of submission of application is 30th June 2021. Applications are invited in duplicate from eligible candidates for filling up 1 post of Deputy Drug Controller, Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani and Homeopathy under the Ministry of Ayush, Government of India. The details are available on the website of this ministry www.ayush.gov.in. Application complete in all respects should reach in the prescribed proforma through proper channel to the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of the advertisement for this post in employment newspapers. From a small beginning as a purely advisory body, the Indian Bureau of Mines has emerged into a premier national organization involved deeply into the various aspects of the mineral industry. The current functions of IBM include promoting conservation of mineral resources by way of inspection of mines, geological studies, scrutiny and approval of mining plans and mining schemes, conducting environmental studies and environment-related activities, evolving technologies for upgradation of low-grade ores and identifying avenues for their utilization, preparation of feasibility reports for mining and beneficiation projects, preparing of minerals maps and national mineral inventory of minerals resources, providing technical consultancy services to mineral industry and functioning as a data bank for mines and minerals and preparing of technical and statistical publications. Indian Bureau of Mines invites applications for 2 posts of Chief Controller of Mines on deputation, including short-term contract from the officers under the central government or the state government or union territory administration or public sector undertakings or universities or recognized research institutions or autonomous bodies or statutory organizations. The last date of receipt of applications for the post in the department is 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. For details, please visit the website www.ibm.gov.in. National Intelligence Grid (NATGRID), an attached office of Ministry of Home Affairs, Government of India, invites applications from eligible officers under central or state government or union territories or autonomous or statutory organizations or public sector undertakings or universities or recognized research institutions for filling up of 1 post each of Director Risk Management, Deputy Secretary Banking, Deputy Secretary Immigration, Deputy Director Legal, Deputy Director BMS Facility DC, Deputy Director BMS Facility DR, Deputy Director RMFIU, Deputy Director Internal Security, Deputy Director Compliance, Deputy Director Key Management, Assistant Director Internal Security, Assistant Director Key Management, Assistant Director Compliance, 2 posts of Deputy Director UA Representative and 5 posts each of Deputy Director SEAM Unit, Assistant Director BMS Facility DC and Assistant Director BMS Facility DR on deputation, including short-term contract basis in National Intelligence Grid (NATGRID), Ministry of Home Affairs. Details regarding pay scale, terms and conditions, eligibility criteria, duties and responsibilities of the post, application proforma, etc. are available in the vacancy circular placed on website of the Ministry of Home Affairs, that is mha.gov.in/notifications/vacancies. The closing date for submission of application through proper channel is 60 days from the date of publication of this vacancy circular in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.